Hey everybody, my name is Cindy Lynn and my Hawaiian name is Kanikia. I am a lover of hula, so I'm trying to learn Hawaiian and I'm using Duolingo. So today if you haven't had a chance to download the app Duolingo, it's a great way to learn some languages while you're at home. Not being sponsored by Duolingo, but I do love using it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the intro. I've already completed 5 levels for the intro. If you have Duolingo, you'll know what I mean. So this is just practice. So I'm going to go ahead and start a practice and talk about what the words mean. All right, it's loading. So the first thing that they want us to do is they want to translate eat, the command eat, like you're eating food. And the translation is AI. Okay, got it right. Translate this sentence. E hele e kaulani. Kaulani is a name and e hele means go. So they're saying go kaulani. Translate yes, where ele. Translation I ele. E, it looks like E is a command or an address to a person. E olelo, speak. In English, speak. That is correct. No thanks. Select the correct translation for no thanks in Hawaiian. Ole, I. Nope, that's not right. That means no. And then I is for eating. Ole, mahalo. Mahalo. Hele, go. That means go. Select the correct translation for hello. Aloha. Mahalo e kavika. Select the translation in English. Thanks, Kavika, because Kavika is a name. Give a lay. Select the correct translation for give a lay. A lay. Simple as that. A lay. Give a lay. It could mean a lay can mean give a lay or wear a lay. Select the correct translation for thanks, eat. Mahalo, ai. Aole, they want us to translate that. Aole means no. Translate this in Hawaiian, no. Aole. And what does olelo mean in English? Olelo means language, because when we say a olelo, we're asking you to speak. Translate this sentence. Hello, kaulani. Aloha, e kaulani. Sorry if I'm not saying these names as best as I can. I'm still learning and I'm working on my pronunciation every day. So thanks, eat. Thanks means mahalo, and then eat, ai. Translate this sentence. Go, kaulani. So that is a hele. And to, we're saying it to kaulani, so e kaulani. Speak, Kavika. E olelo, e Kavika. Okay, translate this sentence. Now they want me to write it so that I can remember. Speak, Kavika. So, o, olelo, e Kavika. Translate hello, kaulani. Aloha, e kaulani. All right. And the cool thing is if you complete a lesson, you get points. You get points, you get gems, you get hearts on the game. So here is my iPad. I've just downloaded it onto the iPad and I play on it every day. So let's do some more. And if you have some ideas of where else I can learn Hawaiian online, comment below and exchange ideas. All right.